Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So far we've covered cleaning your oven. We've covered cleaning your range top. So now we're talking about cleaning your range hood filters. So for us, they're up underneath our microwave. So you always forget about these. Nobody looks at these, but they get grease splattered on them. They have a lot of, they get dirt in them. There's just a lot that can get into those while you're cooking on your stovetop. So for us, we have two of them. Yours is gonna be a little bit different. It could be a little bit different for depending on your model and that sort of thing. But ours just come out, they just slide right out, and you can see there's one here. There's another one on this side, and they slide out pretty easily, and they have grease on them. You can feel the grease on them. So we're gonna show you how to clean these in 3 easy steps. Step 1, Dawn Power Wash. You're gonna spray it a lot on both sides just to make sure everything's really covered. You gotta make sure it's open and really covered. And I'm putting them in an old container because as we go through the steps, this will come in handy. So I'm just gonna quick do that. And you can see it nice and foam up. Do both sides, make sure it's on there good and you're covering getting all the grease out of them. And now we're just gonna let those sit for about 10 minutes. Okay, step 2, you're gonna add hot water to either your sink where these are, or I put them in a little old container, and you're gonna add hot water to that, and you're gonna scrub them. So you just need enough hot water to cover them, and I'm just gonna put it here so you can see. And I like to use a Scrub Daddy because it gets in there, and you can really, Scrub Daddies usually get in there really good, and it's got a good coarseness to it. So scrub both sides really good. And I'll scrub them a little bit more, but then you're gonna let them sit like this for 30 minutes. Okay, now that I'm done scrubbing them, I fill them up a little bit more with some really hot water, and I'm gonna let them sit for 30 minutes. Okay, the third and final step is you're gonna take them out of your hot water and rinse them very good. And then let them dry completely. Either use a towel, let them sit in the sun, let them dry completely before you start using them again. But make sure you get all of that power wash out of there. You just gotta rinse them very well. There you go, so now you see that they're rinsed really well, and you see how nice and clean they are. There's one. And now you can feel that there's no grease on them anymore from all the cooking and from everything that was done, getting dirt and grime off of them. There we go. And so now, this one's got little suds on it yet. Now you're just gonna let those dry completely. So now that we clean these really well in those 3 easy steps, the last thing we have to really do is just put them back in. So that's it. That's how you clean your hood range filters. You should probably do it. Depends on how often you cook and you actually use your stovetop and how much you actually get grease up under there. But probably every couple months you should probably take a look at them and get them nice and cleaned. Okay, so that's it. Subscribe to our channel. Super thanks is always welcome. And if you like this video and it helped you, please give us a thumbs up. Thanks.